Welcome to Better Life Maids. This short video is designed to guide you through our key features and show you how to maximize your experience with us. First things first, let's talk about reminders. We'll make sure you never miss a beat. You'll receive an email and text reminders 1 week, 3 days, and 24 hours before our team arrives. You will also receive a courtesy text the day of your service to let you know that your technician is on their way. Stay organized and in control with our client portal. Update your contact details, manage payments securely, and add reminders or special instructions with a simple click. You can view your upcoming appointments and request additional services with ease. The client portal puts everything you need right at your fingertips. After each cleaning visit, we'll also send you a scorecard to rate and provide feedback on the service you received that day. This is your chance to let us know how we did and how we can make your experience even better. Plus, if you would like, you can also leave a tip for your cleaning technician as a token of appreciation. Tips are never expected, but always appreciated. At Better Life Maids, we're committed to giving you a cleaner, healthier home. We want to empower you to take charge, add those extra services, provide feedback, and make the most of our exceptional cleaning solutions. So don't wait and explore the client portal today.